في شرقي جبل الرحمة أو جبل عرفة في اليوم التاسع من ذي الحجة، وطالت أسوارنا وعرفة كلها موقف. لذلك ما ينبغي أن يتكلف الإنسان الإتيان إلى هذا المكان بقصد الدعاء أو التقرب إلى الله، وليحرص على اغتنام الوقت في الطواف بالبيت والصلاة بالمسجد الحرام والدعاء والذكر. وهناك الصلاة من غير الصلاة وفي المسجد ذكر.
Of the people that have lifted their hands, I say the only bidwa So it's very important that whenever we attend gatherings, whenever there's large people, in that large gathering there's always one person who is a pious person, and for that very pious person Allah Almighty says, accept all of the lawful du'as. So mashallah, yet again look on the left hand side, this is the area inshallah where the Ziayarat are, where the shaitans are, where the Hajis come and hit the small stones. So you'll be able to see the left hand side, which was fitted as Rani, there's like different bridges. So all this area is full with Hajis, and the Hajis come, they come more. So as you can see on the left hand side, inshallah, that's where all the Ziayarats are. So on this particular day, all the Hajis come here. All the tents in and around the Ziayarats, they are the VIP tents. So they are the closest tents available to the Ziyarat. So when people do come, it's mainly the VIP areas closer by. And obviously for us people that come on Pakistani passports,
right side पे आप देख सकते हैं जन्नतुल माला कब्रिस्तान। अपने राइट साइड पे देखें और आपको ऊपर एक छोटी सी सफेद रंग की दीवार नजर आ रही है। इस दीवार के अंदर हजरत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के खानदान के लोग हैं, जिनमें हजरत अम्मा खदीजतुल कुबरा की कब्र भी है। तो ये जन्नतुल माला कब्रिस्तान था जिसकी हमने ज़ियारत की। तो अभी आपके सामने मस्जिद आ रही है, आपकी राइट साइड में, आपकी राइट साइड में मस्जिद आ रही है जिसे मस्जिद जिन कहते हैं। आपकी राइट साइड में मस्जिद है जिसे मस्जिद जिन कहते हैं। इसी जगह हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फजर की नमाज पढ़ा रहे थे, तो जिन्नात के एक लश्कर ने हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का कुरान सुना और कुरान सुन के मुसलमान हुए।
Mosque of the Jinn.
अंदर आते हैं बाद में आपको मौका मिलेगा अंदर आते हैं
Speaking English, no problem? English. Fine. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, Rasulullah. In the beginning, I will give you some information about this piece. Then I will give you information about Khilaf, Kaaba Musharrafa. Also, I will give you explain about this piece. This piece is original piece for next year, inshallah ta'ala. This piece need to 20 days then complete. 20 days is enough for this piece. The material used in this piece gold, silver, and resham. You know resham, huh? Silk. Gold and silver come from Germany. Resham come from Italy. The gold used in this piece also in all Khilaf, Kaaba Musharrafa. The door also is pure 24 karat. The quantity of gold used in all Khilaf, Kaaba Musharrafa 120 kilograms. The quantity of silver 100 kilograms. The quantity of resham 760 kilograms. The quantity of gold used in the door only 280 kilograms. From gold, pure 24 karat. Okay? The amount of all Khilaf, Kaaba Musharrafa every year is between 25 to 27 million riyal. نعم. تفضل الله تعالى. This piece is original piece from resham. Kaaba Musharrafa inside like this. This one for inside Kaaba Musharrafa.
Inside.
Yes. Green color like this one. Used for two, for inside Kaaba Musharrafa, also for the room for Qabr Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
The inside of the walls.
Inside, yes. Also, this one from resham, but inside no change here because inside no weather, no sun, no rain like this one. But if you need to change, it change. Maybe damage, cut, any problem need to change, it change. But outside change it free. Outside like this piece. Okay. Explain is finished now. You have any question? I know more people come here. Tell me please, I come from Pakistan, I come from India, England, country. I need stitching. I know, I will help all. I know, but before 1 year ago, everybody you can stitching here or factory, no problem.
Okay.
But now these are the directives from the government schools.
Okay.
They know me or my manager or my management is from the government. Also, camera here, this is problem for me.
you.
Yes. I will help all, but this one from the government schools. Okay.
How many people does it take to make it? Oh,
How many people does it take to make this?
This one?
Yes, 2 people.
Yes. 2 shifts. The morning, night.
How long?
whole khalaq Abba?
This one 20 days.
20 days.
Only
20 days. One piece.
Yes, this one. Yeah, but other piece need to more than 20 days. Maybe the door, fabric, the door, this one maybe 5 months.
Really?
Yes.
How many people?
The victory for stitching 120, 200.
Oh, that's the question.
180,
Yeah.
180,
Mashallah.
200 like this one.
5 months.
Yes,
Wow.
the total of Khilaf Kaaba Musharrafa finish maybe you need to 10 months.
Mashallah.
Very much. Yes. Also, some people tell me, please, I need one piece like this one. I tell him, if you have, please give me like this one.
Really?
Yes,
Okay.
wallah. I am blue here, I don't have any piece for me. Wallah. I am blue here, wallah. I don't have stitching one for me.
Before they used to give it, huh?
Yes, before 1 year ago.
Yeah, yeah.
1 year. But
What do they do now
close
with it?
1 year.
What, you know what, with the pieces now, I think as far as I've heard, it's like a draw, lucky draw. You give your name, and they give you a draw, and then if your name comes out, you can get one. Is that true? Or no? Because they preserve it in the museums now, don't they? Or
No,
that-
no, that's not original.
That's not original, no?
That's not, you're not allowed to repeat it, sorry. The one in the museums,
Yeah, yeah.
it's not original. If you go and you can see the certificates, there is E with the original.
Okay.
What does this P stand for?
Right.
So, no one is allowed to...
So what do they do with this? You know, like they change every year. What do they do?
Keep in warehouse.
Okay.
The outside more basis.
Okay.
Some people tell me, look, I can't purchase it, I can't like this one. Also expensive, 5,000.
15,000 riyals in
Yes,
museum.
I know. But I'm not sure. I think this one could be not
Not real.
original. Yes.
Okay.
Because all Kiswah keep in warehouse.
Okay.
Before maybe give to king for other country maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
But I am blue here. I don't have.
You don't have one.
Okay. Excuse me. Finish.
The next day.